To add a hotkey to a button, select the button, open the inspector and select the Properties window. In the hotkey section, select the hotkey or keystroke combination you wish to assign to the button. Coda will not permit you to assign a key or keystroke combination which already exists. Shift, Option, Control and Command can be used to modify the key, thus giving you keystroke options to add for hotkeys. You will notice that on the button in the form, the hotkey is displayed. If you want to hide this display, select the View drop-down in the main menu and select Hide All Hotkeys. To clear or remove a hotkey, press the Clear button in the Inspector window.